Students, when I put a PowerPoint in the classroom, make sure that you can see the notes section. If you see here where my cursor is, you will see where I have notes at the bottom of each slide. There are a couple of ways you can do so. I'm at work today at the Floyd County campus, and the computer here has the most updated version of Office. So when I say from the beginning, you will see here that it shows over to the right. It shows the notes as I click through the slide presentation. It shows the notes pages. However, if I go back to from beginning, if I go back to the main slide, again, you will see the notes here, and you can just scroll down. Or you can also go to File and to Print. No, I don't want you to print out all these slides. However, you could go to Print and just choose Notes Pages. At first it will be like this, full page slides, but change that to Notes Pages and you will see here the different annotations I have for each slide. So again, you can go to the print function and choose Notes Pages. Don't actually print them unless you just want to waste paper. I just need you to see the notes that go with the slide. And for almost any PowerPoint that I have, I will have notes to go along with the actual slide. So you can see them here by going to Print to Notes Pages, or depending on what version of PowerPoint you have, if you just go to from the beginning, it may show you the slides with the notes to the side, or you can look at the bottom of each slide in this area here, and you can also see where I have the annotations. Thank you.